that Bigfoot?
Honey, I told you we need to open this.
That's a Bigfoot. Stop chewing on your lips.
Little guy.
Yeah, is his eyebrows moving?
No.
No!
Hi.
But it's Bigfoot.
You're on your own, kid.
No. Go away.
Come closer.
He burped.
Big.
Burp. You want to give Bigfoot a big kiss?
No.
Give him a kiss.
Give Bigfoot a kiss.
No.
Give him a kiss.
No.
He's not even doing anything and she's already scared.
He's asking you to play.
He wants to play with you. And that's where Bigfoot would fall down. If he was on the floor. Bigfoot wants to play with you. Aw, Jordan! It's Bigfoot! You're gonna want some space if you're gonna put him down because he flips and whatnot. Jordan, honey!
Christmas present, okay.
Go home.
Bigfoot, be chill.
Go home.
Go home. Ladybug.
Is it on?
Bigfoot fall down. Bigfoot's throwing up a tantrum. You made Bigfoot sad.
Jordan, look. Papa's got a remote. Jordan, look, Papa's got a remote. Papa's doing it. You want to do it?
No.
Look what Papa's doing.
Singing. He's singing.
Hungry.
Jordan's not hungry. Where the hell did that come from?
Are you backing out?
Jordan's all done. Put the lip away. He's singing. He's singing. John's dying over here.
No people.
Why not?
Some people did.
I'm sorry.
Papa's having a blast.
People did.
Jordan, you're the only one that doesn't like Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Mommy will play Bigfoot.
Yeah, no shit. I'll play with Bigfoot.
Hold him.
Yeah.
What?
You want to go down there? Yes, the best babysitting present ever.
Calm down.
Up.